how to set up your variable resistor when using a thermistor in your logic circuit. So here's our logic circuit. We have an AND gate. For our input A, we have a toggle switch, and for our output, we always have our LED with a 100 ohm resistor. And then we have our thermistor here as our input B. You can see that here. That goes to B. And we have as our resistor the variable resistor. Now, in order to set up right, we need to first, because this is an AND gate, first turn on our switch to the on position. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the variable resistor, and you can move this around, and you see if you move it all the way to the left, the light goes on, all the way to the right, the light goes off. So at this point, because it's not warm right now, we want to set the variable resistor, so we're going to slide it so it's just off. You see how there's this sweet spot here? I can just move a little bit back and forth. So I want to have it just off. Now, what I will show you, if I warm up, and if you have cold hands, you can rub your hands against your legs. You can use your fingers to warm up the thermistor, and when you do that, you can see the light comes on. When you let go, it takes a little bit of time, and then the light goes off. So one more time. Warming up the thermistor, light comes on. So that is how you set up the variable resistor.